Bakarai nak kalian sorkar hapok jenglam jongi chief minister jongi menne haka meeting hakwedei bat ka jingple ya ka yaudu ka bengi ong ka barabajar lene ka yaudu hadin balai song meeting menne rengkat badu chief executive member juga ke HDC gumju uru bat usim melim ki baju peniat ya kane ka yau nadu ki por mendai thai ka sorkar kala shim ya karai ba nginem patple ya kane ka yau hadin hadu ba ansa pentip lane penbei da kumwei pat tenang ta kabaar karai ka mengishim hakwidei ka relaxation nak menta ka de ka thit don katu katni teliki items ki baki dukan ki don hakeleng jong ke jela ke jongi kamtam hagi district headquarters lasya banple ya kitu kidukan jan ki bengiong kidukan jan nang ta ki badi shatri ki badi raincoat nang ta kitu ki kitchen utensils ya ki tiar gitar ba shet batiu nang ta ki travel agencies nang ta ki household electronics bat kumju ru ya ka showroom jong ki nong de kali kane kan try kam immediately but ya kane ko order lap tha sabaro ki deputy commissioners bakin le ya ka badon kam rengkat ru bat ka jingbot bot renti ya ki protocols bat ki SOPs ya ki ba na kaliang jong ka health department ka ai na kapor sya kapor sakaway in addition to the ya ka jingwan poi jong kineki khon samla jongi kenthei bat chinlang ki ba pule bat ki batrei keleng saudong jong kerindia hadu menta ka janmet ki poi shipau hajar shi spa tam shipau hajar shi spa tam bat nang ta shushu ki baladon menta ha kalentiat ke jongki kawai nang thena po Andhra Pradesh kombalai spa khat ngut ki khna ki jongi bat kawai pat napo Rajasthan kumbashispa sanphongut menta kiladon hakaletiat nang tam menta kasngi janmet sa artli ki special train ke belapen bet kerpang ke sorkar kawai napo Delhi bat kawai napo Kerala menta kinmi muslim syu nakan ka klimat ka bangabatay kinmi menta ka janmet bat ki banwan pai nakine bro artli nakawai kawai ke station nakawai kawai ke jela kin tam yakasan spa ngut kabamut bro artli katrin kan poi sia hajar tam anda kelawan pai sia ka jela ka jongi kata de kawai ka benta ka bangakwa ban pentip ban update sia ki pajba jong ka jela ka jongi nang ta shushu today hakabe day but kani ka jing perking nakamta katuka bangin le ya katuka karantin lapi ong hayeng lapi ong haka ba penbet kisnong ki taw le ne haka ba penbet ka sorka don ki basngutu bakla bat ki ong ngidei ban buat khat sausngi ne arpro prasngi te ka bangi kwa ban pensyai hang ne kalong khat sausngi kani ka balong mandatory ba mbit ban bakla khandiat ru bat hadin joka khat saus ngi kren yakni yaki bom don kanu ka symptomatic ki bom don kanu ka case te palat yakata ka khat saus ngi ka benengkong sa khat saus ngi kalong ka self quarantine ka ba kitu ki ba wan pai kam tam nambar joka north eastern states ki don kam ban ngau thu daladi yaladi khnang ba kan numbu jingma ya kasnong ya katau lani ya kaying kasem baro kawe
hadu menta ya ki latest position jong kini ke COVID-19 po Meghalaya ki bala pha dadep test iki baro ki long wela de pha ki sani ki sampul long gru sajar since pasan kulai ki number of person ki ba yo negative long rehoja hispa lai kupra nang ta hadu menta ki balong positive la long arpongut aga state Meghalaya klat mai wei kararnut la recovered la jem but nyungut inang sa active case tiki benang sa menta ba waiting for the benang sa ben up iga test ki long lai spa nem san.
First update I would like to tell you is about the deferment of salaries of the employees and other people in the government. As you're aware, friends, the deferment that took place last month was a precautionary step for effective management of state finances against the backdrop of the COVID-19 and the national lockdown, which caused unprecedented economic disruption. Further, there is significant uncertainty in the revenue collection and the monthly tax devolutions from the Government of India. The government is constantly taking stock of this dynamic situation. We are thankful to the Government of India for releasing the state's share of tax devolution for April and May 2020. The state's own revenue collection for these months is much lesser than expected. But we are hopeful that it will pick up in the next 2 months with the cautious opening up of the economy. Making investments in the health sector to fight COVID-19 continues to be the priority of the state. Given all this, and also taking into consideration the request of the employees for withdrawal of the deferment, the government has decided to not enforce any salary deferment for the month of May 2020 to be paid in June 2020. We also would like to take this opportunity to thank the government employees for their understanding. Friends, I would like to here also state that this precautionary step that we had taken last month to defer the salaries was against the backdrop of the uncertainty in terms of the central taxes which we were supposed to receive. And there was also a situation where we felt that there could be a further decrease in the share of central taxes. Therefore, keeping in mind the overall shares that we have received from Government of India, and though the central taxes have gone down, but it has not gone down as much as we had expected, and it has not gone down also beyond what it was last month. And therefore, since there is a certain level of stability in the tax devolution from center, we have decided not to defer the salaries for this month. But I would like to further state that future course of action of the government would depend highly on the devolution of taxes from the center. So therefore, in the future, how we would be able to adjust to the situation would to a large extent depend on the devolution of the taxes from central government. The second point which I would like to state today is regarding the different disasters and natural calamities that have taken place throughout the state because of the heavy rain and flood that has affected the whole state, but a large part of West Garo Hills, Jaintia Hills, and certain pockets in Khasi Hills also. Friends, the different deputy commissioners have already been told to take necessary steps to ensure that relief is given to all the affected families. At the same time, sufficient funds have been parked with the Deputy Commissioners in order to take care of those necessities. And at the same time, we have asked PWD department and the other line departments to also find out about the extent of damage, especially to the roads in different parts of the state because of the heavy rainfall that we have all seen in the past few days. And we're expecting another 24 hours of heavy rainfall based on the predictions given by the departments concerned. At the same time, as I said, all the departments have been asked and the Deputy Commissioners have been asked to keep a very close watch, and all steps are being taken to ensure that necessary facilities and all kind of relief is provided to the affected families. Yesterday, our Honorable Member of Parliament from Tura had visited certain parts of Tikrikila and Pulbari, which were very, very extensively damaged. And today, the local MLAs in West Chanty Hills have also gone and visited the affected areas, and they will also be submitting the report to us. And post that, I will be taking up the matter and reporting it to Government of India, to the Home Ministry. States' own revenues, as I mentioned earlier, have dropped drastically, and we have only about 20 to 30% that has been collected. For this month, the numbers have not come to us fully yet, so I will have to wait to give you the exact numbers. But the numbers are not very, very positive as of now. Regarding the central taxes, the devolution and the transfers have taken place to us. As I had mentioned in my assembly speech also, that the devolution based on the Finance Commission's recommendations and the budget provisions given by the Government of India was pegged at 428 crores for Meghalaya. But against the 428 crores, Meghalaya government has received 350 crores in the month of April, and we have received 350 crores in the month of March. So these are the numbers as of now, which are much lesser than what was in the budgetary provision. But because the numbers did not fall any further, as we had expected that maybe the numbers could fall because the collections of the central government were very dynamic in the sense that not much economic activity was going on. So as a precautionary measure, we, with expectation that it may go down further, we had taken the deferment as a step. But since the devolution did not go down below what was received in the month of April, the government has revisited this decision and decided to not defer the taxes.